As well as we can generate animation characters by using Nano Banana. Simply, I generated Lord Krishna animation character with Lord Krishna features. For this, I used prompt something like this. Design a 3D Blender style male anime game character inspired by Lord Sri Krishna, keeping his divine identity and traditional symbolism with the following features and accessories. Like a mythical radiant Sudarshan Chakra glowing with golden blue light, a peacock feather crown with ornate detailing shiny royal blue and gold cloths inspired by Krishna's traditional attire. Soft, elegant blue skin tone representing his divine form, calm yet powerful divine expressions. And a magical emerald flute glowing with celestial energy, a golden Vaijayantimala around his neck. Produce a detailed 3D mesh model with all the divine features, ornaments, and accessories mentioned above, maintaining a heroic anime game character style while preserving Lord Sri Krishna's authentic identity. So finally, it's generated an image of anime character of Lord Sri Krishna. Same like we can generate in the place of Lord Sri Krishna as Rama. Let's try with Lord Rama. Same like prompt. Here I am giving a prompt to generate anime character of Lord Sri Rama. Just type enter. So this is the Lord Sri Rama animated character. So it's done this job according to our prompt. If you want to change, you can iterate with multiple prompts and make